Tired of struggling to separate chicken wings? Here's how to do it perfectly every time. It's so easy you'll wonder why you've done it any other way. Let's get into it. We've all been there, sawing back and forth, hitting bone, tearing at the skin. You don't need a better knife. You just need to know where to apply force. Let's do this. A wing has 3 parts: the drum, the flat, and the wingtip. To separate the drum from the flat, first cut the skin at the V, and then bend and snap that wing backwards until you hear a pop. You just dislocated the joint. See that gap you created? Your knife will slide right through with 0 resistance. A perfectly clean cut. Do the exact same thing for the wingtip. Find the joint, bend it firmly, and slice right through. Just like that, you have the perfect plate of drums and flats. The skin is intact, the cuts are clean. This is how you get wings to cook evenly and insanely crispy. If this joint poppin' trick just saved your game day, hit that like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other kitchen tasks drive you crazy. Your days of mangling chicken are officially over. Later this week, I have an air fryer recipe for chicken wings with a sauce that is going to blow your mind, so check back soon.